Introducing sushi from convenience stores in Japan. In the convenience stores of Japan, it has been sold around the inari sushi, a gomaka sushi with kimchi egg, stir-fried bamboo shoots, sushi shrimp vinegar, simmered kenpyu, nozawana, rags, crab and vinegar. The bamboo shoots were fried and boiled together with the bonito and savory. This is a must-try sushi using maitake mushrooms with texture, flavor, and umami. Carrots, bamboo shoots, the addition of fried tofu, was combined with inari skin of juicy texture. It is a standard sushi, salmon sushi. The fat ride is good salmon trout, pickled in vinegar combined soy sauce tamari and kelp sauce, finished tastefully. This is a must-try sushi using maitake mushrooms with texture, flavor, and umami. Carrots, bamboo shoots, the addition of fried tofu, was combined with inari skin of juicy texture. Nozawana mixed with sushi gohan with wasabi. Molding is also a sushi packaging can also automatically. Four kinds of root vegetables and shiitake mushrooms, lotus root, burdock, carrot, bamboo shoot, mixed with plenty of textured gomaka rice. Plenty of delicious bonito dashi made from makarozaki and rishirai kelp stock. Skin was wrapped in thin, juicy skin of inari. Three crab rolls, crab-flavored crab, and 2 tuna salad rolls, with tuna mayonnaise. The crab roll contains crab, cucumbers, and kimchi eggs. The tuna salad roll contains tuna salad with chopped onions, cucumbers, and kimchi eggs. And stem wasabi, Shizuoka Prefecture wasabi, the vinegared rice yelling mixed with wasabi-flavored oil, were wrapped in leather nari no juicy thin skin. Aiming for a soft, good-colored inari hide, we made improvements. Contact for various equipment and packaging materials guidance. Contact us how to make.